Guys, welcome back to your LAN app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix HKC monitor no signal. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering why your HKC monitor is not or does not have any signal on it. Well, it means that there might be some problems on the actual connection on your monitor. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to do a basic troubleshooting here. So first things first is you want to ensure that the wires or the display cord that you have, so either a display port or even a HDMI, so you want to go ahead and make sure that the ends are actually properly plugged in. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and make sure to plug it in real quick, real nice there. And also on your PC, you want to go ahead and check the wire on that end as well and see if it's actually plugged properly. Now, this might kind of be kind of annoying, especially if, like, for example, you have this is just an example. Like, for example, this is the back of your PC. So you see drawing here. So usually there's a bunch of ports here. So what you need to do is you want to make sure that it's plugged in, but in this case, you want to also check if it's actually hitting some of the components here. Sometimes it's not, if it's not plugged in properly. Like, for example, a metal something or metal barricade, or the actual port itself is blocking its view into being actually really plugged in there. You might want to change your actual cord to a different one that is a lot thinner, especially on the ends, and basically see if that works. But yeah, so that's the first thing you could do here. Make sure everything is properly plugged in. Now, if that doesn't work, you might want to see if changing or using a different cord can actually solve this issue, especially with the port here. So you might want to borrow a different one, or if you have the extra funds, you might want to buy a different HDMI port or a display port here and see if that actually solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, there is a few things you need to also do here. So, second thing you can do is you want to test your monitor on a different device. Like, for example, if you have a laptop, you might want to use your laptop into connecting your monitor here and see if that works. Because if that works, it means the problem itself is from your PC, which later on I'll be discussing with you what are the things that you could do here. But yeah, so test it on other devices, or in this case, test a different monitor if you can. So if that works, like for example, you test a different monitor on your PC, then most likely the problem itself is going to be your monitor or HKC monitor. So there might be some problems on the actual port, and you might want to reach out to support, and basically, hopefully they could give you a refund or a voucher that you could use to get it fixed. But yeah, so if the problem itself is from your PC, there are a few things that you need to check here in order to make sure that your monitor will actually work. So the other thing I need to check here is the RAM of your PC. Now, this is just an example. This is what a motherboard usually looks like, and the RAM section here, or the PCIe for the RAM here. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that your RAM is properly plugged in. Now, if your PC was moved around, it might have became loose on your RAM here. So just do a little push here just to make sure it's properly plugged in, because if it's loose, it will actually prevent your monitor into, or in this case, prevent your motherboard connecting to the monitor, which is kind of weird, but this actually works. I tried this before. So again, you want to make sure that they are properly plugged in, but they are inside your PC. So if you haven't opened up your PC, you might want to ask a friend to assist you on this one. So you can even search online on how to do that, but this is just a tip that you could do here. But yeah, so in this case, those are the things that you can do here to hopefully fix your HKC monitor that has no signal. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to your LAN app. Thank you for watching.